What you just said right there is a goddamn lie.
Okay. Hey.
Give me on body cam footage of this.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Behind your back.
I'm pissing.
No, you're not. You're going to jail.
Palm Beach, Florida, May 10. Lounge hailing Arshasu. Police respond to a welfare call. A 4-year-old boy alone on the street. His name is Messiah. He told neighbors his dad left for a walk. He was in a dirty diaper. Saying he was hungry.
Nowhere in sight.
This is like probably the 5th time he's just out.
You said he came over your fence?
Oh yeah, over here. He was in our backyard. And thankfully, we have 3 dogs, so thankfully our dogs weren't outside. But yeah, he climbed over our fence. I've already put a lock on it because he'll unlock it and go in our backyard. And I looked out here one time and he was just running up and down the road. And the dad, normally he's like, oh, I don't know how he got out. We're like, open the fucking door. That's how he got out. You need to put a lock on your door. And he doesn't. And we hear him screaming all the time at him. And I mean, I gave him goldfish because he said he was hungry, but he has a diaper full of poop. And so I don't know how long he's been outside. Yeah, she knows. He goes in their yard too.
She's from this?
She lives in the other one.
Okay.
He walks up and down the road all the time. Okay. He told me his dad left for a walk, so I don't even know if he's in there.
Okay, who all lives there?
I don't actually know.
No? Okay, because I know they've been to that house, but I haven't.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know. I know his name is Messiah. I don't know how old he is. He's not too sure how old he is, but I know he's come over here 6 times. I don't know how many times he's been over to you guys.
Yeah, he's only been in my backyard, but I've actually seen him in the neighborhood. And then Sarah, a couple houses down, came and knocked on her door one time. She was at her house.
Yeah. Well, he runs right behind cars, and I'm like, dude.
He can't control him. It's so sad, though.
Can you hear him screaming at him?
Oh, yeah.
All the time.
You've been to this house before?
Yeah, we came here for like a 911 I think. They were probably playing on the phone. Dad was like, butt assing,
Did you guys leave that room?
sleeping.
I'm out front all the time.
Yeah.
Opened the door and then kind of got aggressive with
So I walked
Nicole
down the road.
I think it's only him that lives there with the kid.
He was.
Yeah.
How long has he been here? How long ago was he in your backyard?
20 minutes ago. My niece was like, there's a kid in your backyard. I'm like, are you kidding me?
And he knocked on his door, right?
Oh, I knocked on the doors, on the windows. He's not answering. He said he went for a walk. He said the dad went for a walk. Normally he tells me he's sleeping, but he told me the dad went for a walk. So I don't even know if he's in there.
Is daddy sleeping or walking? He's walking.
This was not the first time. Neighbors counted at least 5 prior incidents. The boy had climbed fences, run behind moving cars, and knocked on strangers' doors. One neighbor had already put a lock on her gate specifically because of this child. Another had been feeding him when he showed up. Officers knocked on the door. No answer. The child told them his dad went for a walk. Officers had been to this address before. Last week, a car left running all night. Multiple 911 hang-ups from a child on the phone. A father who would not wake up.
But I don't know, I asked him.
That's probably where he came out of. He's sleeping in there.
Sir. Excuse me, sir. Can you come to the front door?
Hey, go to the front door. Palm Bay Police Department. What? Open the front door.
Yeah.
Palm Bay Police Department, can you open the front door?
Yeah, hold on.
He's coming. He's good. He's coming.
Still laying in bed?
No, he got up. He's coming.
Yeah.
You know where your son is?
I'm calling for him now.
Well, I know where he is, so he's not in the house.
Excuse me?
I know where he is.
Okay.
He is not in the house.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? So, how did you get out?
Come check the house.
Well, I'm pretty sure it was from that ripped screen that's in your bedroom. Do you know how long he's been missing?
We went to bed around 7 o'clock.
Okay.
And where's he at?
He's with a neighbor. They knocked on your door. They tried getting you up, and when they couldn't, he said that you went on a walk.
I want to walk.
That's what he said. So, once he said that, they called us.
I appreciate that.
All right, so,
Do you have an ID on you?
Excuse me?
Do you have an ID?
Do I have I? What the f is this? Bring my son over here. My name is Carnell. My number is 38455.
Okay, I'm not sure why you're yelling.
sir,
But you coming up and ask me these questions? I'm a sergeant of the Marine Corps. That's not my ID I need to give you.
is the car registered to you?
Excuse me?
Is the car registered to you?
The truck?
Yes. Is the vehicle registered to you?
Thank you, it is.
Okay.
Alright.
Hang tight for me.
Where's my son at?
He's... Just wait.
I want to wait for my son.
Okay.
Yeah!
Sir,
Just...
could you not yell, please? We've located your son. He's okay. He's at a neighbor's house. We'll get you.
Just I'm on jail.
You cause a disturbance, you're going to go to jail.
I'm going to jail to look for my son.
You cause a disturbance, you're going to end up at the Brevard County Jail. Are we clear?
No, I'm not clear with that.
Well, I'm being very clear with you right now. Sir,
So I'm supposed to look like my son ain't missing?
we have located your son.
located
He
you
is
safe.
okay.
Your son is safe.
What I need you to do is be respectful to these officers while we deal with this situation.
Be
They will-
respectful for these officers. Yes, I'm being respectful for these officers.
Okay? There's no
I'm being respectful for you.
Okay. Well, based on my personal opinion, you appear to be under the influence.
Of what?
I can't tell you exactly, but you appear to be under the influence. You're slurring your speech. You're unable to walk straight.
Man, I just got woke up.
Okay? And I was also out here last week because you left your car running all night, and I had to turn off your car for you.
You never have come over here and turn my car off.
I got the body
That's a
cam.
goddamn
I
lie.
got the body cam video for it.
Show me the body cam
You have to go to
footage.
jail.
I never left my car.
And we've been here several times for 911 hang-ups because your kid's playing on the phone and you're falling asleep.
What you just said right there is a goddamn lie.
Okay. Hey,
Give me on body cam footage of
put your hands
this.
behind your back. You're under arrest.
When the father finally appeared, his first move was to curse at the officer asking for his ID. He invoked his rank. Sergeant of the Marine Corps. That is not what the officer asked for. The officer made a direct observation. Slurred speech. Unable to walk straight. Apparent impairment. The father denied all of it. Most people in this situation would stop talking. He did not. He kept arguing, which is exactly what the officers needed. In Florida, leaving a child without adequate supervision in this condition is child neglect under Florida Statute 827. Lingsan, a third-degree felony, up to 5 years. The law does not require injury. It requires neglect, failure to provide the care a reasonable parent would provide. A dirty diaper. A 4-year-old on the street. That standard was met the moment officers arrived. He said he wasn't resisting. The cuffs went on anyway.
Find your back.
I'm pissing.
No, you're not. You're going
Nope.
to jail. Put your shirt on.
I got piss.
Stop acting a fool.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Stop.
I'm not resisting.
Stop.
You are going to end up
Stop
at Brevard County
resisting.
Jail. Are we clear?
Stop resisting. I'm not going to tell you again. Yes, you are. You're tensing up. Stop it.
Stop. You're pulling away. Stop. Do you have some shorts I can grab for you?
Excuse me?
Do you have shorts I can grab for you?
I can get.
No, you can't. Not at this moment. You cannot. I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to give you some pants to wear.
I have shorts.
Where?
In my bedroom.
Do you want me to grab them for you?
Can I go in there and get short?
Alright.
I didn't.
Okay, you push me over this way.
We're not pushing you. We're gonna walk you down.
No, the lady was pushing me.
Come on.
Come on. Keep working, Father.
Can I shut my door?
I'll set it for you.
Can I get my keys?
Well,
I'll get your keys for you. I'll do everything that you need to do. Come on.
all right, come on.
First, second car.
The one we're walking to.
That second car. I'm not resisting for a goddamn thing.
What are you doing? Turn around.
I'm walking to the side so you can open the door.
Okay.
We have to search you. Can you face the vehicle, please?
You have pockets in this thing?
Yeah, they're in the front.
I don't even know where my son is.
He's at a neighbor's house.
My neighbor's house. Ain't that a bitch, so. I'm being arrested for what?
I mean, I don't know if we want to ask them if there's another parent close by.
1015 for neglect.
Yeah, I'd say child neglect. He has a duty and responsibility to be caring for that child, and he's highly under the influence and allowing the
Kid's
kids.
sitting in a shitty diaper for how long?
I would also indicate that.
Yeah.
And we were out here
His-
last week. Document
it's
that I
coming
came
out of
out
his
last week
diaper.
for his vehicle running for multiple hours. That was called in by neighbors and attempted to make contact with him, and he wouldn't wake up out of the back bedroom. And then also, I would document in there that we've been out here for multiple 911 calls where his child is called in on 911 because he's under the influence.
Carnell was charged with child neglect without great bodily harm. After multiple court continuances, he pled no contest in June 2025. Probation. Adjudication withheld. Then he filed a motion to modify that probation, reopening the case. The officers get an A. They de-escalated under verbal aggression. They documented every prior incident on camera. They secured the child before any confrontation. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is judged against what was objectively reasonable at the time. Every decision here holds up. They had been to this address before. They were ready. Carnell gets a D, a 4-year-old alone in a dirty diaper for the 5th time while his father was asleep inside. He cursed at officers, denied impairment, and escalated at every opportunity. Under Florida Statute 827. Ling Sen. Child neglect is a 3rd-degree felony up to 5 years. He pled no contest. The right to remain silent exists for a reason. He chose not to use it. The neighbors get a B+. They found the child. They fed him. They called 911. They provided specific places, documented detail to officers, and they had been tracking this pattern for months. One lesson from this case: you do not need injury to establish child neglect. You need failure of care. This case met that standard 5 times before anyone was charged. If you want more body cam footage, the moments suspects don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Probation with adjudication withheld. Was that the right call? We'll see you in the next one.